look, I was out for blood. I wanted my moolah. I wanted my coins. I had something to prove. You heard me? What it do, Jazzaboos? It's Jackie and JAZZETS here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, you already know what it is. And if you're not and you're new here, then kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it is free, just like it. It's free. Okay. This is what we're going to be doing today. Okay, I know a whole lot of people are into selling lashes, hair, whatever it may be, and you're looking for a supplier, vendor, whatever you want to call it. Well, I had a mishap and I had a don't do it experience. So you're gonna learn from an experience I've had by me telling my story. Okay, and you're gonna learn from this, right? Okay, so let's carry on. So I wanted to expand in my business and start selling wholesale lashes and individual lashes, you know, for my store. Yeah. So the first place I went is Instagram, and I, you know, I be nosy, and I you know, did some hashtag searching and everything, and this one that you just kept coming up, you know. I was like, okay, it was called mermaid_mink lash, something like that. Anyway, you'll see the tag or whatever on the actual post when we get to that. But I reached out or whatever, and they, you know, of course, they like sharks. They're going to jump on because they know, okay, that's money. But this is what happened. So if you want to know what happened, you stay tuned, okay? Because I'm going to pull these receipts up right quick while we doing this thing here, okay? Okay. So I contacted him on Instagram, and my first question was, are you on Alibaba? He pretty much told me no, that they wasn't on Alibaba because most of the Alibaba people with self-make would affect their reputation. I should have ran for the damn hills when I saw that, but I said no, let me get these lashes, sis. Let's get these lashes. He sent me some catalogs, whatnot. He told me how he accept payments, and okay, I asked him, you know, what platform did he accept payments, and he said PayPal. So he showed me the boxes and everything that he could offer me, custom boxes, boom, bow, bam. I have been very helpful. So I, you know, did the payment or whatever, and I don't know what this is about. When he told me he loved me, I was just thinking him saying, okay, I look forward to doing more business with you. And okay, boom. Okay, so boom, I waited a while. It took him forever to give me my tracking because I actually had to contact him again and say, okay, you know, where's my tracking? So I finally got my tracking, and they eventually showed up at my door. I'm all excited. I opened the box and everything, and I'm like, hey, your girl gonna be selling wholesale lashes, whoop-de-whoop. So open up the package and everything, start looking at the lashes, and then I noticed that sis, no. I mean to tell you, this is what I saw. Yes, honey, this is what I saw. Crushed. I was just crushed. Now, after I saw that, like, I was numb. I was like, oh my gosh, I just lost out on all that money. I was like, wow. I could have did something else with that $300, you know, because I was feeling like I had no words. Exactly how I'm feeling right now, and I can't explain it. That's how I felt when I was like, because I can't just touch him or whatever. And like at the time, I was like, damn, I got. But after going to sleep and everything, when I woke up, it was a whole different story. And I felt like, oh, he gonna hear about this. Even if I can't do anything about it, I'm gonna voice my, you know, opinion and let him know how I feel about this, whatever. So I got up the next morning and I went outside and I took some pictures and I texted him those same pictures that y'all just saw. Okay, I texted those to him, contacted him and let him know how very disappointed I was, and I should have listened to my intuition. The bosses were bent and the lashes were poorly made. I sent him his own text letting him know that okay, he was a scammer. And see, he deleted some stuff. He gonna tell me that okay, sometimes they look different. I told him that ain't got nothing to do with the missing patches that was in there. And this fool had the nerve to tell me that he would give me some free lashes in my next order from him. And see, under that, he deleted some stuff too. But I couldn't get over the whole fact that this fool said, I will send you some free lashes in your next order. And I'm like, who you next order? Oh, you got to be kidding me. Oh, you got to be kidding me, Playboy, because ain't no order, B. Ain't no more order, B. Ain't gonna happen. So I'm like, oh my goodness, what am I gonna do? So I didn't even think about how I paid for him or whatever. You know, almost a whole week went by and I was just feeling like, oh my goodness, I got. And then it just hit me. And I was like, wait a minute, I paid with PayPal. I was like, wait a minute, everybody always talking about how if you pay with PayPal, then you know, they good. Like they got you. You protected by PayPal or whatever. Comes to find out that was a lie. So I'm gonna need y'all to stop telling that story every time you pay with PayPal. If you pay for something, you go, ooh, I don't care about it because you know I paid with it for PayPal, so you know I'm protected. No, it's not true, boo boo, because the policy is in that little fine print that if the seller did not agree to refund you or do certain things or whatever, then PayPal is not trying to hear what you're trying to say, because you know why? Those sellers are making PayPal money, okay? So they ain't trying to worry about what you little consumers buying, because they getting coins off of everybody that's selling something. If you're selling something, then they could get a percentage every time you sell something. So who you think they're looking out for? Okay, I had to find out the hard way, and I had to go dig, and I needed to talk to the supervisor and all of that, because I wasn't trying to hear that. I was not trying to hear that. And I had to send pictures, and what really saved me is the stuff that I just showed you guys, where I screenshotted and showed them that okay, he said that okay, he sent the wrong thing. He telling me, okay, well, you're looking for this. Okay, well, why didn't you send me what I told you I wanted? You send me something totally different, and then you gonna say, okay, well, I can get some free ones in the next order. Who in their right damn mind gonna order from you again after you done? Really? Oh no, I don't know what was going through his head when he texted that text, but it ain't gonna happen. No. So of course I was feeling some type of way. So okay. I went back to this Instagram where it all started at or whatever, and I'm looking at all these pictures, and it don't look nothing like the ones that he sent me. And so I got up under a couple of pictures, and I'm trying to alert other people, and I said he is a fraud. What he sends you does not look anything like this. So he blocked me straight on Instagram, which I know he says to me later in the text that he sent me, I didn't block you. He blocked me from Instagram. He sure did. He blocked me off of there and deleted my daggone whatchamacallit. And I was like, wow. So he know he wrong. He gonna just go ahead and block me or whatever. I said, okay, cool. Look, I was off of blood. I wanted my moolah. I wanted my coins. I had something to prove. You heard me? So after contacting PayPal, of course, they wanted to hear my side. They wanted to hear his side or whatever. I know he was lying. Because after he realized that I started a case on him, this is the text that he sent me. He's telling me this sad story about his grandmother or something being in the hospital, and he didn't know he had a case on him. Oh, you knew. I don't know why you wouldn't have suspected it. And he was telling me that he didn't block me when he clearly blocked me, because I couldn't even see anything when I went on the page. And at the end, he gonna tell me he wanna compensate me so we can be friends. After I got through going back and forth with PayPal and everything, because I called because I actually needed to talk to somebody, because no, I don't want to go through that sending emails and filling out forms where I need somebody to hear my story so they can see what the business is, because I ain't trying to do all of that daggone buy the policy thing, because this ain't make no sense. It says in there that okay, he is saying admitting it. That's all you need right there. Give me my coins. No. So after I did all of this hooping and hollering and going back and forth with these people, I was able to get the majority of my money back. But I say majority because I had to send him his lashes back, which I had no problem sending him them raggedy lashes back to him. But in the fine print, if the seller does not agree to do so, any of those things in writing or whatnot at the time of purchase, then PayPal can't make them do it. So I had to pay the shipping fee back to his bald-headed, I don't know how he looked, but I'm just saying. But I had to pay the shipping fee, which was $60-something. So take that from the $3 that I paid. So I actually, yes, that's what I got back. I was upset because I'm like, okay, he getting all of his lashes back, but well, all except 3 pairs. Because of course I had to test the product type thing. So yeah, he got all his lashes back, but I still had to come out of pocket with $63. I was too upset. I let PayPal have a piece of my mind or whatnot, and they on my bad side as of now, because that was not fair. That was not fair at all. So beware of this lash seller, because them lashes he's sending look nothing like them lashes on that picture. You hear me? What do we learn from this story? Do your research, read reviews and everything, and go through a platform. Go on Alibaba. If your payment is not through Alibaba, which can be tracked and everything, don't do it. Don't trust it. Do not trust it, okay? Because I'm over it. That did it for me. And don't listen to none of these sad stories about, okay, well he was trying to tell me that, okay, he wasn't on Alibaba, because Alibaba has a whole lot of people selling fake mink lashes. So he wanted to keep himself aside from Alibaba because his stuff is real type thing. I don't know why I was so stupid. But yeah, you live and you learn. So don't make the same mistake that I did. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos. And remember to be what? You, because only you can do it best.